I am Neha. Are you someone preparing for government examination? I have scored this much of marks in TGT Social Science. I have started the series जहां मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि किसी भी एनसीईआरटी बुक को पढ़ने के बाद उसके कुछ जो मेन टॉपिक्स होते हैं उसको कैसे कवर करें. Everyone reads the same NCERT, but everyone scores different marks. So I'm going to tell you what are the loopholes that you have to cover in order to maximize your marks. I have already uploaded a video on how to cover your class 9th NCERT economics book effectively. Today it's time for class 10th NCERT. Let's do it. Please watch this video till last because I'm going to give you some bonus topics जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है. In class 10th NCERT economics book there are total 5 chapters. First chapter is development. Second is sectors of economy. Third is money and credit. Fourth is globalization and the Indian economy, and fifth chapter is consumer right. In chapter you have read your chapters and you have made your notes. उसके बाद कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जो आपको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ने हैं. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस वहीं से आते हैं. First is per capita income. There are various methods and you also have to read about India's status. Second is GDP. Go through GDP, when it came, like everything in detail. Third is infant mortality rate. Fourth is literacy rate, and fifth is net attendance ratio. We have to do HDR. Then we also have to read about HDI and India's ranking. Now let's come to chapter 2, sectors of economy. You have to read more about primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. इसके अलावा you have to read about what is final good and services. Topic is NREGA, that is NREGA 2005, along with its date and year, who was the prime minister, what are its aim, how successful it is. You have to read about all. Now let's move to chapter 3, money and credit. In this chapter you must be having the clear understanding of what is collateral, terms of credit, self-help group is very important. Often examination में questions आते हैं इस topic से, so make sure you do it properly. Now we have chapter 4. This chapter is basically about clear understanding. You must be knowing about what is globalization, when it started, what is the status of Indian economy in terms of globalization, what is trade barriers, what is liberalization, what is LPG. Now let's move to chapter 5, consumer right. This chapter only contains about Consumer Protection Act 1986. अलग-अलग levels होते हैं, district level, state level, national level. So you must be having information about it. Now it's time for bonus topic. It is stock of money. You have to make proper notes of M0, M1, M2, M3, M4. Now next we have monetary policy of India, which is formulated by RBI. Third is quantitative and qualitative measures, which is taken by RBI. Well, this is all for this video. See you again in the next video. Do subscribe this channel and don't forget to like it. Bye.